want to show you something real quick. I don't know how much of this you guys can see, but if you look at this reading I have on my battery, you can see it's hooked up to the red. I hook it here, and I've got 12.11 volts of power, and I mean that's not a problem. But when you come down to the battery itself, and you touch on the top of the thing, and it says 6.13 volts, that tells me that the battery is draining from this post to that post at a rate of 6.17 volts, which is half of the rating of the original battery. And anywhere you touch it along this battery, you can see it's in the top. You can see it's draining into this battery. So the best step you can do, especially people who live in apartments, in this case it's a condo, but I can't say it's not much different than an apartment. You take a bowl of water and you mix it with a little bit of, in this case it's Dawn dish soap, and I'm going to take, you don't put the toothbrush into the soap, you put the soap onto the battery. You're going to use this bowl later for a bowl of cereal or something like that, and just kind of clean that battery off a little bit, just like that. Go ahead, rinse it off. Don't spare the water, it won't hurt the battery. Just clean it off real good. Kind of break that circuit with that battery acid going across the top. And of course I brought a spare bowl of nothing but water so that we can rinse the battery off. There we go. There. Now let's see what that battery reads when I touch that top. See, it's only 252 volts now. And once that battery dries, see, it's 0.6 volts compared to what it was. See, you're saving a lot of power just by keeping your battery clean. See there? See the difference? That is a lesson for the day.